Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control, in Pakistan and the world over, are observing the Martyrs' Day today, to pay homage to the martyrs of July 13, 1931 and all other Kashmiri martyrs. According to Kashmir Media Service, in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, complete shutdown is being observed today. The authorities did not allow people to visit Martyrs' graveyard in Srinagar to pay tributes to the martyrs who are buried there. The troops of Dogra Raj had killed 22 Kashmiris, one after another, who had turned up in thousands outside Central Jail in Srinagar during the court proceedings against one Abdul Qadir who had asked Kashmiri people to defy the Dogra rule. It was time for Zohar prayer when a young man started the call for prayers but was shot dead by the Maharaja's soldiers. Thus, 22 youth sacrificed their lives till the completion of Azan. Kashmiris have been observing Martyrs' Week from July 8 to July 13. All parties Hurriyat Conference leadership urged the United Nations and the world community to help resolve Kashmir dispute in accordance with the UN Security Council resolutions and the aspirations of the people of Kashmir.